Today's class is about lysosomes or suicide bats. They are cell organelles discovered by Christian Didio in 1945 and were called pericanalicular dense bodies. He named them as lysosomes in 1955. They are small, membrane-bound vesicular structures containing hydrolytic enzymes and therefore perform intracellular digestion. They are found in all eukaryotic animal cells except RBCs. They are most abundant in macrophages, which perform special digestive functions, and in the cells of organs associated with enzymatic function, such as liver, pancreas, thyroid, spleen, and kidney. The structure of lysosome is rounded, or rather spherical bodies filled with dense granular material which are rich in acid hydrolases or acid phosphatases. They are enclosed by a membrane. They contain around 50 different types of tissue dissolving or hydrolyzing enzymes in their inactive form. They function only in an acidic medium, and that's why they are called acid hydrolases. The lysosomal membrane is not affected by these enzymes as its lipoprotein molecule is highly glycosylated. To understand polymorphism in lysosomes, we can see in this picture that lysosomes can be seen in 4 different physiological forms. Lysosomes are produced from the Golgi body, and the lysosome, which originates from the Golgi body, is referred to as the primary lysosome. There are processes like phagocytosis and pinocytosis taking place in cells. Phagocytosis, as you all know, is engulfing of large particles, and pinocytosis is the ingestion of liquid droplets by a cell. After phagocytosis, the phagosome, when it joins with the primary lysosome, forms the secondary lysosome. Similarly, the endosome, which joins with the primary lysosome after pinocytosis, forms the secondary lysosome. The secondary lysosomes take over the function of digestion. The digestive enzymes play their part and ultimately results in the residual body. At the same time, the primary lysosome can also take over the function of destruction of worn out organelles in the cell. Such a part would be called as autophagic vacuole. After the process of digestion in this vacuole, their 2 residual body will be resulted. Such residual body will be given out through the cell by a process called amniocytosis. So the 4 different functional phases or stages are the primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, autophagic lysosome, and the residual body. The functions of lysosomes. Digestion of extracellular or intracellular materials will be carried out by lysosomes. Lysosomes of granular leukocytes or macrophages destroy foreign substance and defend our body, thus providing natural defense. By digesting intracellular substances, lysosomes remove worn-out cell organelles and dead cells. They provide energy during starvation by controlled breakdown of stored food substances. Lysosomes dissolve specialized parts of cells and helps in the regeneration of damaged tissues and also in the formation of bone from cartilage. Metamorphosis is observed in some organisms like development of tadpole to frog. In such cases, reabsorption of various larval structures such as external gills and tail of tadpole is brought about by the autolytic action of lysosomes. Lysosomes bring about cellular breakdown associated with aging. That's all. Thank you.